Hi everyone, this is Ruan from Kenhub and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to look at the lymphatics of the stomach and liver. As you may already be aware, the lymphatic system forms a vital part of your body's immune system and the transport of nutrients and waste. This network is made up of lymph vessels, which transport lymph around the body, and also lymph nodes. The lymph nodes contain white blood cells, which filter the lymph as it travels through the node so that any potential pathogens can be identified and cleared. In the abdomen, lymph nodes tend to cluster around major arteries supplying abdominal viscera. As I mentioned, we will be looking then at lymph nodes surrounding the stomach, also another organ, the liver, and those lymph nodes that surround some other abdominal structures. We will finish off this tutorial with the return of filtered lymph to peripheral circulation in the thorax. So let's not keep ourselves waiting, let's dive right into the lymph nodes that surround the stomach and liver. We'll make a start here at the cardia of the stomach. The liver has been pulled aside so you have a clear view of the superior parts of the stomach. This region is a small depression close to the junction between the stomach and esophagus, and as we can see if we take a closer look, it has its own set of lymph nodes highlighted here in green that will be draining into the celiac lymph nodes. Next, we have the left gastric lymph nodes highlighted now in green, which drain lymph from the superior 2/3 of the stomach. And they also follow here the left gastric artery near the lesser curvature of the stomach. The most distal portion of the stomach, right here before it meets the duodenum, is known as the pylorus. The lymph nodes superior to the pylorus are then called the suprapyloric lymph nodes. These drain lymph from the distal stomach and the beginning of the duodenum, and then into the celiac lymph nodes. There are also some lymph nodes located inferiorly to the pylorus. These nodes are unsurprisingly called the subpyloric lymph nodes. Part of the greater omentum has been retracted here, keep that in mind, so we can see these lymph nodes right here. These nodes also drain lymph from the distal stomach and beginning of the duodenum, and then into the celiac lymph nodes. The greater curvature of the stomach has two groups of lymph nodes. The first of these are the right gastroomental lymph nodes, which you see right here. They line the inferior portion of the greater curvature and drain lymph from more distal parts of the stomach. This video is not over yet. Continue watching now the full video at kenhub.com. We have lots more videos like this one available to our premium members on our website, not to mention all the fun quizzes, related articles, and atlas sections. So click on the button in the middle to watch the full-length video and master anatomy.